Welcome to the tutorial on CREDO Reference Database. With this database, you can search over 3 million resources from encyclopedias, handbooks, guides, and magazines. It's an excellent resource for background and historical information on a topic. To access the database, log into My DTCC, expand Library, and select CREDO Reference. There are several ways to search for information in the database. For this first example, I'm going to show you how to use Browse by Subject. I'm going to select Animals and Veterinary Medicine. From here, I could select a topic or enter some terms into the Quick Find. I'm interested in Assistance Animal, so I'm going to select that. One special feature of the database is the mind map, which shows you related concepts. At the top here, it shows you it found 467 resources. You could filter this by type, subject, collections, media, length, and also by date. I'm interested in the title Pet Therapy, so I'm going to select that. The information is in the record. This information is from the Gale Encyclopedia of Nursing and Allied Health. By selecting Save, you can print, download, or save the information. By selecting Share, you can email the information to yourself. By selecting Cite, you can get a suggested APA citation. You're going to want to check and correct this suggested citation before submitting it to your instructor. There is also a translate feature, so you could click on Translate and select a specific language you would like the article translated to. For my next example, I'm going to enter some keywords instead of browsing by subject. So I'm interested in pet therapy and specifically dogs. So I put pet therapy and dog and click on the search. At the top of the page, it shows it found 8 resources, and I select the resource that I'm interested in. At the top, it shows that this information is from the Gale Encyclopedia of Medicine, and I could save it, I could email it to myself, get a suggested citation, I could have it read to me, or I could translate. In summary, CREDO Reference Database searches over 3 million resources. It has a special mind map feature, and it's an excellent resource for background information on a topic as well as historical information. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.